Hello there, BoBo, the Bitcoiner is back. Many have asked how to differentiate noise from actual fact. I guess the first principle is to recognize and accept the fundamental of Bitcoin. And that comes with a lot of understanding on Bitcoin. And that is the most or the utmost importance. Bitcoin is a man-made protocol run by preset rules or codes. It's just a software. The fact that the inventor disappeared and let the protocol run by itself by anyone interested in participating in Bitcoin network. That's simple. And a lot of things could have happened or gone wrong during the early 2-3 years. Example, Bitcoin network was very small. Participants are mostly tech-savvy cyberpunks, very small population. The government or some powerful corporation could have tried to bite up the majority of Bitcoin and control it. Or then does not allow it to grow anymore. But today, it is impossible, practically impossible, as Bitcoin network has grown to a few hundred millions of users worldwide. The foundation of Bitcoin network is already taken root, solid like a rock. Any narrative that does not impact the Bitcoin fundamental is therefore noise. Example, when price goes up or down because of some irrelevant market news. Typically when Iran fired missile at Israel recently. Yes, it creates tension. People run for cover for fear of war escalation in the Middle East. And worse, potential World War III. This is very natural as emotion run wild. Market tumble, including Bitcoin, but when the tension simmer down, market confidence slowly go back to normal. This type of news, while emotionally gripping, is often here today, gone tomorrow. Yes, tension in the Middle East will persist. Indeed, the fighting could further intensify. But they are not what's going to drive Bitcoin market over the next 6 or 12 months. Even if it escalated into World War III. So what? Bitcoin network will only go to sleep. Okay. As soon as the dust cover, you switch on your computer, Bitcoin comes alive. As long as there is internet or satellite, Bitcoin will live forever. Typically, you see Bitcoin going up now as the Middle East tension seems to cool down. Sorry. The ETF noise, though have substance, but the true effect depends on how it plays out in the long run. Daily or weekly inflow and outflow are noises that confuse investors. Reason is Bitcoin ETF is still in its infancy. The real effect can only be seen after 18 months or more, when all the wirehouses, asset managers completed their in-house cleaning with 99% certainty of regulations and legal compliances, then they are allowed to push a product to the financial institutions and fund management. When that happens, actually, it's no more noise, but the true measure of how strong the financial market actually invest in Bitcoin. Bitcoin ETF exceeded 20 billion this week, being the fastest growth in Bitcoin ETF history. And that is fact. Most absurd narrative is the US election. You don't know who or anything until the election is over. Will the candidate follow through what he or she promised is another uncertainty. This is the most nonsensical noises. Crypto will win the election, whatever happens. Okay. So there are facts that is more true, like the surge of the big global liquidity that are fueled by the central bank printing of money is the most important driver of crypto prices. Bitcoin blockchain status is the fact that is because it is live and every transaction is recorded as happened now and then. All informations are true because it has been verified by the majority of the Bitcoin nodes. It's also true because nobody can erase, alter, or manipulate the permanent entry. It is non-reversible, like average block size, transaction per day, hash rate, network difficulty, transaction fee, mempool size, and all kinds of blockchain information that's happening every second, and it's all true facts, transparent to the whole world in the Bitcoin blockchain. So, in summary, we can safely say any narratives that does not shake the fundamental of Bitcoin network can be considered as noises. Hope this clear the air when you try to understand what is noise against what is actual fact. Thank you for watching. See you again. Bye-bye.